Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tap Lab here, and today I'm going to reveal my full stock portfolio. People ask about this quite a bit, and I do tutorials like intro tutorials for how to start investing and using these apps. And people like to know if it's safe, if your investments are safe. They like to know that the apps are not scams and stuff like that. So I think it's important to just continue to share my portfolio regardless of how it's going. But I do stocks pretty casually. I'm not like super serious about stocks. I'm more serious about my cryptocurrency investments. So remember, the things that you see that I'm invested in here might not be the best investments. They're just companies that I like. So here on Cash App, you can see that I have $4,567. You can see the total that I have invested is $3,759. Total gain $807. So not too bad. I believe this was much higher, and we've had some pullbacks recently. So the highest I was ever at was about 5,200. These are the stocks that I'm invested in. Let's just go total investment value. So the most in Square, some Tesla, Snapchat, Twitter, Crocs, Neo, and Apple. And I was in a lot more things, but I kind of wiped a lot of those out. I talk about this in some of my stock videos, but like once these stocks reach these huge market caps, like Apple is worth $2.3 trillion. A share price is $130. So in order for you to invest in Apple and double your money, Apple would need to become worth $4.6 trillion, which is just a lot, So I like to invest in these smaller stocks, and I've done better with the smaller companies. Like Square is 105 billion, so it's much more easy for something like that to double to be like a $200 billion company. Yeah, there's where my portfolio is at on Cash App. Let's hop over to Robinhood, and there's 4 apps that I'm going to show you today. Mostly on Robinhood, I just get free stocks. I think I get like up to $500 per year free. So $852 in my portfolio. Mostly the only one that I keep is Snapchat, the 1 share in here, and Twitter, 0.5 shares. Then I just sell this other stuff when it's up and send that to my bank account and buy crypto with it. I also have 1,000 Doge. So I think that's the majority of my portfolio. Doge was 70 cents. Down to 49 cents. So I have about $500 worth of Doge. Yeah, there's my portfolio on Robinhood. Public, I like using Public. I think Public's a good app. Robinhood, I'm not that excited about, to be honest. I don't like how they have crypto, but it's fake crypto. It just makes me lose trust in Robinhood. But Public is a dope app. It's like a full social media type of investing experience. You can see what other people are investing in. You can read their posts, you can comment on them, like them, all of that stuff. So here's my portfolio, very small over here. What is it, $134, 124 in Tesla, a couple bucks in Square, 134 in Crocs. Crocs is just an insane investment. I'm learning that you really need to follow the culture. Like Crocs is doing so many dope partnerships with huge artists like Justin Bieber, Post Malone. Kids are buying Crocs. You can put like those little gibbets on them and customize them. And that wave is gonna grow up wearing Crocs, whether people like it or not. And it's kind of like a meme, but in reality, since this dip in March here, the COVID dip, it's a 10x. Like that's a 10x investment right there. I only put $1 in here and I gained 34% on that. So that's my portfolio on Public. Another cool thing about this app is you can see all of the people that buy and sell. Like this person sold, made 2.74%. You can tip people. This person sold and makes 6.96%. So yeah, cool stuff over here. Fun playing around with the Public app. By the way, you can find links to all of these apps that I'm talking about down in the description, and there should be free stocks available when you sign up on all of these apps. Now we're on Webull. Again, I don't like how they use fake crypto. My portfolio is just Snapchat and WPF, and most of this is just from free stocks that I've gotten. I've kept the Snapchat shares and then I just sell everything else. It's like I'll sell this WPF because I don't even know what that is. So my free stock, looks like I have 2 shares that I can claim. So let's claim these. More WPF, more WPF. It keeps giving you the same stuff usually, but then sometimes you'll get like a free Snapchat share. So that's kind of dope. But yeah, there's my portfolio on Webull, only $209. So most of my stocks are on Cash App. That's the one I like to use the most. Public is probably my second favorite. Then I just, play around with the other two. And I don't care about like trading or some of the more advanced features that like Webull publishes. I'm more of a long-term investor, mostly investing in these tech companies long-term and Crocs. But yeah, that's an update on my investment portfolio. I haven't really lost anything. I haven't gained much, but it's doing okay, $807, that's better than not investing for sure. I started way back here just putting in like $1 a day, just slowly building. So there's my stock portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.